today I'm going to show you how to use the schedule function in order to make it so you have more variety in your music this holiday season. One of the things you may not know is Mood Harmony has a large library of holiday music. I'm just going to show you what is downloaded on this device I'm working on today. Okay, and you get anything from country to classical to holiday to pop to hip hop, Hawaiian, everything you can possibly think of. And there's even more here in the library that is not on this particular device. So like Environmental Holiday Blend, FM Dose Holiday Mix, Latin Hits, anything you can think of really, you'll be able to find the station for you. So what you'll do is you'll add all those stations to your library, which give you just a refresher on that. You would just go down to the channel and hit add. But once you've added it all, you go down to schedules here. Now, I've already created a schedule, but you can always create one up here. Name your schedule, add your scheduled music. If you want to learn more about the basics of scheduling, please watch the scheduling video. So one of the things you're going to do for holidays is you want to have a lot of different channels here. So you'll have tons of stations, and you want to make sure that you schedule them. So you pick the time of day that you want this station to play. And then you pick when you want it to stop. So for example, I'll get back to this in a second, but FM1 Holiday Mix. So the harmony is going to read, okay, I have FM1 Holiday Mix. Is it between 7 a.m. and 9:59? If it is, I'm going to play this. If not, I'm going to go to the next one down the list because this is a hierarchical list. Now, when you're scheduling, you got to make sure that you don't have overlaps. Because if you have overlaps, you may not hear a channel. So that's what happened here with our Hawaiian Holiday Mix. It starts at 8 a.m. and goes till the end of the day. Well, that means that after 8 o'clock, no other channel is going to be read. So you go in to fix that. Just go to the calendar schedule. And I know there's nothing playing already in that schedule there. Let's go back. And then I like to put everything in the order which is going to play. That way it's easier for me to edit it. As you can see, I did make a mistake here. This is going until 10:59, and I put this to start at 10. So we go back in. Let's just have this starting at 11. And then you hit save schedule and go to your device. And add in the schedule right here. And there we go. And after the current song is playing, that schedule will take over. So that is how you use the large library of Mood Harmony music in order to create a more enjoyable Christmas season for both you, your employees, and your customers. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.